Have you ever wondered, do I really need to hire a real estate agent when buying a new home? Well, hey, in this video, I'm going to share 10 reasons why you really want to hire a real estate agent when buying or building a new home. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And 12 years ago, I started selling new homes as a sales counselor. And so I learned the building process, how it works, how they do marketing, and then I got my real estate license. I want to share why you must always hire a real estate agent when building a new home. Number one, and maybe this isn't a super exciting one, but number one is a real estate agent will do the legwork for you. Have you ever found yourself driving around endlessly looking for new homes? Yeah, it's because not all of them are listed in the MLS. And so sometimes there are hidden communities that you didn't know about that maybe your real estate, not maybe, well, maybe if you didn't hire a great real estate agent, but that your real estate agent would know about that maybe you don't. They will also help narrow the builders down. They'll go look and go, hey, what's the square footage? What's the price point? So you don't have to go into every single new home and spend an hour with every single sales counselor. In the beginning, it's fun. After a while, it gets tiring. The second reason you should hire a real estate agent when building a new home is experienced real estate agents with new homes. They know the reputation of the builders. And they'll give you their opinions, their advice, and they hear the stories from other agents if the builders are honoring the warranties after they close. Number three, a real estate agent can help you negotiate price or maybe get blinds thrown in when building a new home. Now, I do have another video that you can click here and watch about negotiating new home prices. You typically can't negotiate the base price of a home, but there are sometimes things that they can help get thrown in if building. And then an inventory home, by all means, they can help negotiate. The fourth reason is a real estate agent will read the builder's contract and they can help, explain the legal terms of the contract, which kind of leads me to number 5, because you wouldn't go to court without an attorney. You may not want to buy a home without a real estate agent. So number 5, your real estate agent represents your best interest. In fact, as realtors, we are required by law to put your interest above our own. Now, if you got a bad real estate agent, I don't know what to tell you, but it's our job as realtors to put your best interest first, and we represent you. So think about this. The sales counselor represents the builder's best interest and the sales counselor's job. The realtor represents your best interest. Now listen, both when I worked for new homes as well as when I represent buyers, I see sales counselors give in to their boss and not help the client out. They're trying to save their job. So I love sales counselors and they all want to sell a home, okay? But if it ever comes down to the sales counselor pleasing you or pleasing their boss, they're always going to please their boss to save their job. That number 5 should have been top on this list. Number 6, you want a mediator when things go awry, okay? Now listen, things are going to go wrong when you build a home, especially if you're building from scratch. So it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And the reason is because so many hands, human hands, are touching and building the home. So something's gonna get messed up. I wish it weren't the case. And it's usually the thing that you love the most. I don't know why. But all that being said, things are gonna get messed up. And so you want someone to go to bat for you without feeling the pressure of, are they gonna get mad at me and mess my home up, right? So you can have an agent step in when bad things happen to take care of it and mediate for you and negotiate for you. Number 7, a realtor will help set realistic expectations for you. So unless you've built a lot of homes, you may not quite understand the lingo or the process. And so sometimes, I find my buyers are like, is this normal? This doesn't sound right. And then because I've sold new homes before, I can say, that's not normal, or no, I know it sounds weird, but this is the standard process. And so having a real estate agent that is experienced in new home sales can help navigate through what's real, when's the builder pulling your chain. You know, they can help set realistic expectations. Number 8, a real estate agent will help you not make some awful choices when building a home. And let me tell you why. A real estate agent is thinking, can I ever resell this house? And so many times I'll go on the first visit with my client to the design center, you know, to help answer questions, help them sort through is it worth putting in the lights? Is it worth doing this upgrade or that upgrade? But also, sometimes people just don't know design and they just need help. And so I'm not saying you do, I'm just saying some people do. And so a real estate agent can help walk through making some good choices. Now, at the end of the day, it's your choice. But as an agent, I like to say, hey, you know, putting those mauve countertops in might prohibit the sale in the future. Or having a master bedroom upstairs, you're welcome to do that. You're welcome to have a master upstairs. It's just, it typically takes a little longer to sell your home in Texas than if you had the master down. So a real estate agent will help you with the big picture if it's a good investment in your home. Number 9, a good agent should be keeping up with the trends, okay? And so if they're an experienced real estate agent, they'll know what the good trends are, and they may be able to help you if it's nearing the end of a trend so that you don't choose those colors and then next year a new trend comes in and then you're already outdated 1 year after moving in. So a good agent can help you with that. And number 10, you know, it doesn't sound like it's a big deal, but number 10 is if you have a real estate agent representing you, you're not going to feel so alone in the process, you know, and you'll have someone to cry to when you get stressed about the build. You may want to vent, and then you can also go, you know, is the builder yanking my chain? So having a real estate agent walking side by side just gives you the confidence in some of the decisions you're making. Hey, if you are looking at buying a new or a resale home, I have a $1,500 rebate for you. All you have to do is click the link below and register. And if you want to choose me as real estate agent, I'll credit you back $1,500. So thank you so much for watching. Also, if you have any questions about moving here to Texas or building a new home, my email is in the link below, and you can email me anything. I'm happy to answer your questions. Hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.